Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch we need to press and hold the crown button, and we need to keep holding it for about 10 or 15 seconds. Basically until the watch turns off or until you see the Honor logo on the screen. So keep holding the button. And once you see the Honor logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. Okay, and as you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.